Guys, today I will be showing you how to fix a problem that is very common with the Instax Mini 7S Fujifilm Polaroid camera. I've had this camera for, I want to say, 3 years now, and I've only replaced the batteries once when they had completely died and my camera was not turning on. And so I've had two different battery brands in here, the batteries that came with the camera, and then the ones that I changed out for. But now I'm having a new problem where when I turn on my camera, this is what happens. And it just continuously does that. So I found a way to fix it. Basically, all you will need before you do anything is 4 brand new batteries, but we only have 3. So I will be using one of the old batteries, which you're not supposed to do, but that's fine. For the time being, it's just a short fix. So you're gonna turn your camera and then remove this and take out all of your old batteries and replace them with the new ones. Okay, so now I'm just putting in the last 2 batteries, making sure that all the batteries are put the right way and correctly pushed in and securely in there. So just making sure, and also making sure that these little these little plastic pieces that help you pull out the bottom batteries are out so that you can use them for their purpose. It makes it easier to change the batteries in the future. So now all you gotta do is turn on your camera and it's working again.